Hey guys, welcome to today's episode of Cooking with Zero Fuqs. My name is Fuqs, and today we're going to be making a stuffed French toast. We're going to be using mascarpone cheese and fresh peaches that I just got this morning, and it's going to be amazing. If you like today's recipe, please drop a like, a subscribe, a comment, help us grow the channel. Past that, let's go ahead and get started. Once again, guys, I'm Fuqs, and you're watching another episode of Cooking with Zero Fucks. I'm about to eat this food because I am hungry. I've been spending all morning making this video for you all. I hope you all enjoyed the recipe and try it out for yourselves. If you like what you've seen, please give us a like, a subscribe, comment, anything to help us grow the channel. That way we can see more and more what's going on. And we're trying to have videos come out every Sunday at 5. I've been a little preoccupied mentally lately with everything going on in the country, so sorry I haven't updated in a while, but hope you all like what you've seen, and I hope you all eat well. Good night, guys.